Hello everyone, and welcome once again. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I will show you how you can create a Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8 instance, and we will also connect with our SSH client. So without any wasting our time, let's start our video. So here I'm already on my EC2 dashboard. So first thing which you will do is you will log into your AWS management console, and then if you click on services, you will find the EC2, which is a virtual service in the cloud. So just click on it. Okay, after that, when you reach at EC2 dashboard, you will launch a new instance. For that, you will click on launch instance and then launch instance. So this is a new dashboard from AWS. So I am also using this kind of interface for first time. So let's see what are the settings, and so here is our name tag, name and tags which we use for our give our instance name. So I will give my instance name as RHEL, which is a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And after that, we will search for Red Hat. Search. So if you can see, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, and it's available as a free tier. So we will use the free tier because I am creating this video for just a test or tutorial. So by default it's select as a 64-bit. So if you are using Windows, so you will select this option, and if you guys are using Linux or Ubuntu operating systems, then you will select this ARM option. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I will select this and press select. So this is our instance, but not yet. It's all the settings are not complete yet, so be patient. So you can see the software name is Red Hat, and virtual or server type is D2 Micro, and security group we are not created yet. And if you see in a storage, they give us by default 10 GB, and it's more than enough for this instance. So if you scroll down, you can see the keep here. We will also create a new keep here, and we can also use our existing keep here. So I just check if I have keep here. Yes, I have already RedHat keep here, so I will use this keep here. So if you don't have keep here, you will click on create a new keep here, and just give just provide name to your keep here, and just simply click on create keep here. So I have already keep here. In a firewall or security group, we will create a new security group. If we click on edit and scroll down, you will see it's by default set as SSH client. So I will select it as all traffic. So you guys do the same thing, because if you select all traffics, you can easily reach or find your instance when you connect it with your SSH client, or you can search anywhere. So configure storage, we have 2 GB, we have 10 GBs of storage, and for free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GBs. So you can, if you want to extend it, you can extend it to up to 30 GBs. So I don't need that, so I will skip this portion and quickly move to launch instance. It's just checking our instance settings. So it's successfully and it's successfully created our instance, and now it's time to view all instances. Here in instances, you can see this is our created instance. I was created an instance, but I just terminated it because I don't need anymore. So this is our instance that we just now created. And if you select your instance, it will show you all the details, like instance, this is your instance ID, this is your public IP, and this is your private IP. And if you can see, instance state is in running, and this is your private DNS, or all the settings are here. So our instance is not ready for connect because it's checking our status, like instance status and our system status. If you just select your instance and click here and go to status check. You can see it's checking our system status and also instance status checks. So it will usually take 4 minutes for checking. So I'm just pausing my video, and when it's in running state or checking it 2 by 2, I will then come back. Okay guys, so in status check you can see it's passed as 2 by 2. So now it's time to connect, because it's time to connect our instance with our SSH client, because we have successfully created our Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8 instance. So now we will connect it with the SSH client. So just select your instance and click on connect, and here in SSH client you can see it's your user as a EC2 user, and this is the command which we will run in our operating system CMD, which is a command prompt. So guys, after that we will just open our Windows, and here we will open our CMD. So just simply open your CMD. This is my CMD command prompt. So now I am just changing my directory as CD downloads. Now I am in my downloads folder, and here if I just search dir, here are the all files that I have in my downloads directory or downloads folder. So it's a bit hard for search my created file or for keep here. It's named as I can't find. Yes, this is our file. Finally I find this. So now what we will do, we will just copy this example command, and we will paste here. Okay, I think it's okay. Copy like this, because sometimes it's doesn't copy. So if we just simply click our right button of mouse, it's just pasted, and if we hit enter, okay, finally it's working successfully. So now we will just type yes for continue our connection. Alright, here we are in AWS cloud machine, because if you can see when we are in our system or laptop, our path is like this, but now we are in cloud, so our username is EC2 user, and this is our IP, and now we are in our Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and it's Red Hat command prompt, where you will run commands or other installations what you want, or do anything as your job. So this is it for this video, but here I will also show you one thing. Just close this CMD, and if you just move back to your instance, I will also I just suggest you, if you have done your work with the instance, you will just terminate it, because they are charging so much, because they charge from you as 1 hour, and its charges are too much. So I prefer you that when you done your work, after that you just terminate your instance. So because I have done my work, so I'm going to just terminate it. First I will stop this instance, and if yes, it's successfully stopped, and now it's time to terminate my instance. Yep. Okay, it will shutting down in a few minutes, like status check time, 3 to 4 minutes. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoying this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, give in the comment box, or give your suggestions also. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates. Press the bell icon. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video.